Hello guys. Today we learn about the Use Pagination option in Ultimate Portfolio. In a previous video, we learned how to use the filter option in Ultimate Portfolio. You can find the link in the description and click on a card to watch that video. Click on Pagination Settings. Enable Pagination. This is a pagination. Now click on Pagination Option. This option allows you to display more items on the same page and on subsequent pages. You can display more items in three ways: pagination, load more, and scroll down. You can set pagination color. Now click on Update button. Go to main page and refresh a page. Pagination settings is successful work on your page. Return to Edit page. Click on Pagination option, select Load More types. In this setting, load more items in a single page, the setting will work on button click. You can change the text of the Load More button. You can change a Load More end text. Also change Load More button color. Now click on Update button. Go to main page and refresh a page. Load More setting is successful on your page. Return to Edit page. Click on Pagination option. Choose Scroll Style. Change button color. Now click on Update button. Go to main page and refresh a page. Scroll setting is successful on your page.